Cat's officially out the bag. Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezitshisave entertainment guys, namhlanje ndifuna ukunibalisela ibali le-Facebook payment, salary, monetization, whatever you want to call it, because soloko nindibuza sometimes xa ndipost especially about them sele kuzirokazi ithini into yakho, sowupeya malini ngoku kufacebook, what's going on, do you get paid more when you are posting this person, do you get paid less, what is happening, ithini into yakho. So finally guys, ngifuna ukunixelela into about how does a Facebook monetization work doing. Example ndinenzele example using number one Izingane Zesithembu as well as Uthando Nesithembu characters. Are they characters? Ithini? Because aba-act, they're not on a series, so bazindoni, they are reality TV stars, masibeke kanjalo. So ndisebenzisa i-reality TV stars zaphi ke zaphayana ke kwaMseleko, starting with Izingane Zesithembu, you guys. Before I get into it, first and foremost, on Facebook, in order for you to get paid, your content has to be pure, it has to be original. Like akufunekanga uhambe uyothatha into kaSithelo uyifake ku-Facebook wakho uyithini. If you want to make a lot of money on Facebook, you need to be original. So it has to be original content. So already, because mna ndiyi-blogger, unfortunately guys, I am at the bottom of the bottomest, because Mark Zuckerberg wants what? Wants originality on his platform there over Facebook. So sizoqala ke ngentoni ngezingane zesithembu, because most of the time guys, I must say, i-account yami yakwa-Facebook ndayikhulisa ngaba kwaMseleko, Uthando Nesithembu, but more than anything ndayikhulisa ke ngezingane zesithembu. Specifically, let me also be specific, not just Izingane Zesithembu, but ndayikhulisa ke ngesithembu sikaMpumelelo Mseleko, because at that time it was the only trending thing abantu abebefuna ukuyiva from my Facebook, since I was already doing Mseleko content over on my YouTube. So I think maybe perhaps they trusted izinto ke endandizithetha about it. Isithembu, let me say isithembu sikaMpumelelo Mseleko. So i-account yam, let me say uFacebook wam ndawukhulisa ke ngoMpumelelo Vuyokazi as well as Utirelo. Yes, in as much as the other cast members, guys, ngicela ukuthetha as if it's like a series or don't, because ngizolibala umane ndithe reality TV stars yabo. So in as much as the other cast members in Dandian ngazo, but a lot of people will be drawn into my content whenever I speak about Umpumelelo, Utirelo, and as well as Uvuyokazi. They really enjoyed that content. So a huge massive thanks to Umpumelelo, Utirelo, as well as Uvuyokazi for assisting me in growing my Facebook page. Okay, so ithini na into kaFacebook guys. KuFacebook you get paid xa uposta izithombe. KuFacebook you get paid xa uposta i-reels. Sometimes abantu bayakupha izitazi for umsebenzi wakho omhle. It's like more like tipping, you understand? Then they give you stars, and there's also a subscription. I don't think it's something that I would do already. I'm really grateful for the people that are already supporting me, guys. I understand and I engage and I understand. So I don't think I would open the subscription plan indoba abantu mababhatale on a monthly basis indoba bafumane content yam. But other content creators do it. I'm not saying it's wrong, but it's something that I just wouldn't do. Even here on YouTube, guys, they have been saying, okay, ask people, members of the community to subscribe, but I don't think about into a right level, because already you guys are supporting me, nithenga idatha, i-Wi-Fi, whatever the case may be, and you are watching my content. So without wasting any more of your time, now that you have information, background information on how Facebook monetization works, maside singene emxholweni. So first and foremost guys, ndiposte Utirelo a lot on my Facebook. I also post Vuyokazi a lot on my Facebook, and I also post Umpumelelo, because obviously xa trenda mhlambe uVuyokazi, also Umpumelelo uzongena. Xa trend Utirelo, also sometimes uVuyokazi yangena or Umpumelelo. So it's like a trio, you understand? and I get a lot of engagement kule top 3 esendinibalele yona yezingane zesithembu. Now, on Facebook, we do have an issue as far as monetization is concerned, because once again, Mark Zuckerberg says, on my platform, I will reward creators who give me original content. And because I'm a blogger, so when I speak about Uvyokazi, I unfortunately have to use her pictures. If I speak about Utirelo, what do? I unfortunately have to use her pictures as well. This goes also for Umpumelelo. Unfortunately, these 3 castmates or reality TV stars, they have reached a limit of what do you call this, of fame. Fortunately, these 3 reality TV stars have reached a maximum of fame, especially there on Facebook. Because you know what happens? Utirelo, because siyazi into about famous, and most definitely we will get engagement. Uvyokazi is famous, and definitely when we post her content, we'll get engagement. So that's to say that when Uvyokazi posts a picture, or Utirelo posts a picture, and then I, Yolokazi Chaki, post that picture, I will be getting paid less. Because why? Utirelo no Vuyokazi are being posted by 50 other bloggers that are already here on Facebook. So Mark Zuckerberg says, I will only pay Vuyokazi 1,000 rand, right? And any other person who decides to post any picture of Vuyokazi after Vuyokazi has posted, I'll give them 2 rands, because I'm not about to pay 50 people for the one and the same content. It's different here on YouTube. 50 bloggers can post about, the same topic, and you will still get your money. So that is why you will see me, ba andilapha ku YouTube ndenza ne 9 minutes videos, because irrespective of whether Konumam Gobozi, Lady Londo Ntando, all of us, we are talking about them Selegos, but YouTube says, because as you have worked and mhlambi style sako as fun neskandando, I will give you your money so long as you've got the views. But Facebook uthi, irrespective of whether you have 1 million views, but if Uvyokazi posted and received the monetization and received the views first, I am so sorry, you are not going to get a penny out of me. Yeah, understand. I remember I once posted Rihanna Met Gala, guys. Ndandisithi imali ndizayibulala there. Ndandisithi jonga ndizoba sisinana, jonga ndizohambela phezulu, ndizoba ngowande ndizosuzela phezulu that month. In engagement, I think I received about 30,000 likes, and I received a lot of comments and a lot of shares. I don't remember. Ndathi xa ndivuka 2 days later, because I was waiting, thinking to myself, okay, Mark Zuckerberg is still counting the money, still counting the money. Xa ndivuka undithe $1 Mark Zuckerberg. Now, obviously, you think to yourself, because number one, Rihanna is going to be like international content. Obviously, you are thinking to yourself, oh, ndizoyibulala imali apha ndizoyibulala. But Mark Zuckerberg says, Yolokazi Chagi, Rihanna went at the Met Gala, 50 other United States bloggers already posted the very same dress, the very same picture, Rihanna, and I've already given the money to the very original content creator. You are not going to even get $2 from me. You are going to get a penny from me. You understand? So unfortunately, that is how it works. The more famous you are, the less bloggers tend to get paid out of your content, because many people are posting your content and thinking that because Utirelo is famous, even the poster, yes, you're going to get the engagement guaranteed, but the money, you're not going to get the money. Unfortunately, isebenza kanjalo ke, you guys. Now, Uvyokazi even makes it even more difficult for us. You know why? Because Uvyokazi is scarce, number one. So umntu xa scarce, uyabo umntu xa nzothini, xa mystery, obviously more and more people want to know about you. So the minute mhlambe ahambe for 3 weeks and then comes back on the 4th week, all of us, we want to post that picture. So unfortunately, Mark Zuckerberg says, uthi sorry not sorry, anezofumana nepen, anezofumana nesende from nanina, and decided indoba you are going to be duplicating content. So usketcha kanjalo ke uMark Zuckerberg. So if ungumuntu guys ofuna uqala uFacebook, you better start creating your very own content, okay? Sometimes then post izithombe zami that are from my camera, and you get that, oh shame man, why am I getting paid more than I got paid for posting Tirelo's probably picture, ithini into, but obviously my page is a blog page and kwazi uvele ngokunditshintshe jonga sendithetha ngam 24/7 okanye funeka ndifake izithombe zam and then ndithi Tirelo ndondondondona. Andiyazi guys into yoba ndizoyenza kanjani. And another person that is really difficult to monetize on Facebook, guys, will be Snem Selegu. Snem Selegu is, yeah, Snem Selegu is always trending now, so you can imagine how many other people, if Snem Selegu trends, how many other people are going to be talking about that. People will be talking about Snem Selegu on Twitter, on TikTok, even on Facebook. So it's getting more and more difficult to monetize out of Obani or Snem Selegu because of the original rule there over on Facebook. So now that you know that, guys, I don't make much money out of these 4 characters: Snem Selegu, Vuyokazi Eni, Tirelo, Kale, as well as Umpumelelo Mselegu. Who do I normally get money from? So who do I usually make money out of from Izinganez's team? Guys, you will be shooketh. You will be shooketh. Now I was shocked in the jonga phayana kwilantika yam ku-professional dashboard. Ndithi Lwandle Mselegu, is that you? Come to the front, baby. Mpilo Mselegu, is that you? Come to the front, baby. Yeah, these people don't, they really post. Ulwandle Mselegu really post, and when there's a scandal about him, it's rare that you're gonna find 50 other bloggers speaking about him. Yeah, understand? It's really rare. You're told it's about 3 as supposed to. So that money gets divided amongst the 3 of us. So go to, okay, this blogger posted about this blogger posted about this. Yeah, understand? As well as Mpilo Mselegu. Mpilo Mselegu is not a social butterfly. So whenever she is trending, it's rare that you're going to find 50 other bloggers posting about her. So good money, yeah, like she's good money for Facebook. And Mpilo Mselegu, Lwandle Mselegu, as well as Abongwe Mselegu, because they are not buzzy, and as manzotin, they are not trendy. Like Kabe postile, or when you post as a blogger, it's rare that you're gonna find 50 other bloggers speaking about that. So because once again, Mark Zuckerberg pays for what? Pays for originality. So therefore, imali izoza kuwe because mhlambe about 2, about 3, and post about anything to do with mhlambe Mpilo, Ulwandle Mselegu, and or Abongwe Mselegu. So those would be the people that I do cash content out of. That's why I needed Izinganez's tempo, guys. That Mselegu. What are you doing to me? So moving right along, guys. So isebenza kanjalo ke into ka Facebook content monetization. However, when I say, guys, I miss them Selegus, I make sufficient money, guys, imali enibona ba okay, it's making me happy through the month. I mean to say that I make that money here on YouTube by making videos. YouTube has been number 1. YouTube will always be number 1. Yes, Facebook khona apho ixesha whereby Facebook was hayibo sonke siyothuka into ba Facebook ugqitha YouTube ithini into, but that only lasted for 4 months, babe. It literally lasted us for 4 months, and then Mark Zuckerberg was like, nope, ndathatha imali yami back, nina ebeniko YouTube, you better go back to YouTube. So here we are, ke bozithandwa zami, we are back with a bang. You understand? And also Uthando Nesthembu characters, that it is becoming more and more difficult to make money out of on Facebook would be number one, obviously, the original Mseleku, Raro Mseleku. Everyone is talking about him. Everyone is posting about Raro Mseleku. So obviously it's going to be difficult. Umakhumalo, the wives. The wives. Let me see. Umakwela, because Use still fairly new, so you know you can still get engagement and be getting money because it's not a lot of people that are speaking about him. Macele, Mangwabe, Makwela, Macele, Mangwabe on Facebook if you'd like to make money. Mayeni and Umakhumalo and Utaro Mseleku. Mayeni, Makhumalo and Utaro Mseleku. It is difficult. It is really difficult because they are trendy, they are a buzz, and so it's really not that easy to monetize on them like it used to be in the past. Yeah, understand? And not unless you're gonna sit down and create videos again about Uthando Nesthembu is Nesthembu over YouTube, because Facebook videos are now paying us less. They are literally paying us pennies, guys. I understand. So you'd rather sit down and create for YouTube if you've got any content. Umseleku, evergreen grassy, guys, like just create a topic. I don't know, but obviously don't create a topic that's going to make them now say stop talking about us, you are gqwirhi, you are lying about us, into ezokufaka court. No, just be creative and say like create videos here on YouTube, and then Kesana, that is how you are going to be getting paid. Okay, so that is why I needed Izingane Nesthembu back, okay, so that I can keep talking here on YouTube. You understand? But yeah, guys, nazo information and in Pateleona for today. What are your thoughts? Engage on any down on the comments, and good on shortly. Bye guys.